In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your TikTok live stream key in 2023. So first, open up your browser and type in Streamlabs. So once you're in Streamlabs, just go ahead and click on the streamlab.com right here. So once the website of Streamlab is open, let's just edit the URL. Let's put slash content dash hub and then click on enter. And from here, when you scroll down, you will see here the ultimate resource for live streaming. You will see all the platforms in here. Just click that one and click other platforms because you won't be able to see TikTok here. So from here, just find the TikTok live stream. Just scroll it all the way down. So if you're unable to search it on page 1, just go ahead and turn it to page 2. And then here, right here, it says how to go live on TikTok. Just click that one. And then scroll down again. So it says here that how to go live on TikTok from Streamlabs. So just click streaming in TikTok from a PC. Just click that one. And then you will be directed here to this page, how to live stream on TikTok from a PC. So just scroll down again. And then from here, you will see this. I was not able to fetch stream key from TikTok. This is because not everyone has access at the moment. As mentioned, this is a login integration first, and the ability that widely available is to log in to Streamlabs with your TikTok account. So before that, they had a form where you can submit your query, but that form is not available now because this is not working accurately, and TikTok is currently fixing this issue. So let's just wait for it to be available. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.